What you got there, Will?
I got Confetti Slime kit from Kiwi Co. You have blue borax cups, white soup, blue scoop, pipette, dye, form beads, craft sticks, glitter, mess mat, and capsules, warm water, scissors, and permanent marker, operational. So I need scissors and warm water. And a knife. Or whatever, what is that called? Oh yeah.
Hey, I think I know
Permanent
how.
marker.
I think I know now.
Oh, and this must be
What?
the dye.
You see that?
Can I make it rainbow? Because
Hey,
I
Will,
think
Will,
I have
Look.
yellow dye, red dye, and blue dye.
Look, you see that?
Yeah, I know.
Look.
That's how you open it. Oh, and here's there's confetti and glitter.
Confetti polluted?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Can we make like both? But like,
Whoa.
can we make both? Like make one bowl with this slime and make one bowl with this slime? Like both slime? Because I really think I'm going to like this. This is I'm so ready. There's lots of ads for like this slime game. Like,
Whoa,
like slime.
blue!
No, what is that? Yeah, it's blue. Blue. Wow. Non-toxic. Blue
Okay,
is
whatever.
messy.
Okay,
Protect your
then-
workspace.
Hey,
Okay,
Mom,
and then
hey.
we got
bad
borax.
person. Ah.
Borax. Caution. May be harmful if swallowed. Avoid contact with eyes. This was some work with my dad that helped me. And yeah, I had to read the instructions again. There's another thing that I got wrong. You had to get it in a separate thing. So this is our water, and then we got this thing that we're mixing up. Now, next it says to put dye. So how do you make green dye? 3 blue. Okay, this is kind of going to be hard. One, 2. I think that was 3. No, I think I did extra. Just do one. Okay, that was enough. Okay, now we're gonna get the yellow. 1, 2. Okay. Now it's next. Then you have to mix it. Yep, mix. Okay, we're already getting some detail on. I'm loving this. It's already getting green. Woo-hoo. Oh my god, it's already getting green. Greener and greener as we mix it. Oh, we're finally getting somewhere. Last time it became into a total mess. Wow, it's actually becoming into a lime color, which is my favorite color. It's actually lighter than lime. Wow, I love it already. Wow. They said dark green, not light green. Well, green's green. I didn't expect this to happen this way. Wow. Yeah. I'm just wow. And then what's next? Wow! Oh my god, it's already getting too hard to stir. It's already getting so thick like slime. Oh, I'm put these in now. Not yet, we're starting to. Oh my god, this is like melted cheese! Add what? Of water. Because, yeah, this is getting a little too much slime. Now you need help. But luckily, I don't need help. I'm still stirring my way to heaven. That was so sad.
What you doing, Trenton?
Baby, bowl. Bowl. My baby bowl.
What are you doing, Will?
Bowl.
I try to draw my slime in a towel, but I save most of my slime. That's the remaining bits. It fell into the jar. I can make more of this, right? Because we have all the dyes. Maybe I'll even use red. Maybe I'll use all of them next.
What is it, Trenton? What is it?
It's
Alrighty, guys. I think I did it. Thanks, guys, for watching this video to the end. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. And yeah, make sure to eliminate